Hi everyone, thanks for joining. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your silver. It's simple, and really in the end you're going to have beautiful, fresh, shiny silver once again. You don't want this. So sad. I'm going to show you how to do this, and it's less than 5 minutes. What you need is boiling water, aluminum foil, and baking soda. And somehow that is it. Those three mixed together make some chemical reaction, and in the end you have beautiful shiny silver. So I'm going to start with a pan. Here's a few tips. You want boiling hot water, and you don't want your utensils touching each other. You don't want this, you want this. So let's keep going. I'm going to show you. This was only 3 minutes. So I'm going to boil some more hot water. I'm going to get all of this done, and I'll show you again. Wow, that is amazing, right? See, I promise, it's so easy. Wow, beautiful. Three minutes, no scrubbing, no work, really. So now in doing this, I have another tip I wanted to add. This smells like, oh, how do I spell it? Oh, I know I'm gonna spell this wrong. Sorry. This smells like sulfur, like rotten eggs. So my tip for you is when you're cleaning your silver, do this before you have friends or family coming to visit for whatever you're celebrating, because you don't want that smell in your house. I didn't realize how strong it was until I started doing this. So I realized, okay, you want to make sure you do this maybe 3 days, 5 days before you have people over, not the same day. It. We are done. So you can see a comparison before and after. Oh my goodness, what a huge difference. So I guess that is it. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you next time. Bye.